Everyone, it's Dan here from Thomas Road Support. I'm trying to take you through using the mega menu system we've got set up. In this case it's in the theme Quoon, however from this point onwards it will all work this kind of way. Okay, so the mega menu itself, you'll notice your regular menus just have like a single drop down here. The mega menus kind of go into columns. Now the way that's handled, some themes and plugins do this differently. We've chosen to give you probably the most flexible option by allowing you to use the Visual Composer plugin to create these items, but in doing so there are probably a couple of quirks we need to make you aware of when creating these items and how to set them up. So if we have a look, at this point we've already installed the demo data, so what you're seeing here is exactly what you'd have seen in the demo. I'm just going to show you how it all comes together and how it's made. If we look in the admin area here, you'll see the new option, Ebor Mega Menu. If we click there, we'll see the demo data comes with 3 different projects. I'm just going to show you when you originally start playing around with the Mega Menu, you will notice, if you go to edit one, that the Visual Composer plugin we use to put the content in the Mega Menu items it isn't quite taking effect. Now the simple reason being we need to activate Visual Composer for the Mega Menu post type. It's very straightforward, probably sounds more complicated than it is, but if you're basically editing the Mega Menus and you're seeing shortcodes like this when you should be seeing the Visual Composer stuff, you've just got to head to Visual Composer General Settings, and we just need to activate the Visual Composer plugin on the Mega Menu post type here. So if we hit save, and if we revisit our home Mega Menu item, we can see here we've got the Visual Composer in all its glory ready to go. Now all this particular one equates to, let's have a look, blog pages 3. So you can see these 3 columns underneath the home item in the menu, they are essentially widgets that are being placed in columns of Visual Composer. Now it's up to you how you use this area, but if you want to replicate what we've done, then this is it basically. If we go to each one, these are just standard WordPress widgets, simply dropped into 3 columns and then added to the menu. Now you might be wondering how you get this into the menu area up here. Quite straightforward. It's all handled by the regular menu system WordPress has built in, which is under Appearance and Menus. The only thing to, well, probably just to mention again, if you're reaching this point and you're not seeing any Mega Menu option down here, then you simply need to tell your WordPress to allow you to edit this, and it's very straightforward. If we head up to screen options here, you'll see you've got a whole load of stuff that's hidden, which WordPress, quite rightly keeps away from you, because if you don't need to know about it, then I suppose why should you? But you've got various things here. You can add CSS classes to your menu items and whatnot. What we're interested in is simply under the Show on Screen section. We would like to show the Mega Menu items available here. Now if you want to actually directly link to sort of, let's say, portfolio items, team members, you've got something in there that you want to directly link to in your menu, here is also where you would activate that and allow you to make those changes. So we've added the Mega Menu items, you can see they've appeared there. So if we get rid and put it back, we now have our 3 Mega Menu items. If I just switch over here, so 3 that we've got set up, all ready to choose from, and we can just add that to the menu pretty much like you would any other menu item. I hope this has been useful. If you've run into any problems along the way using the system, obviously come and see us at the support forum, we'll be happy to help. Other than that, thanks very much for watching.